natin, napagod din si Bong Hawkins because he was playing defense on Chris King on one end. Si Chris King also expending the energy of Bong Hawkins because sumasaksak dito si Chris King eh. So he's making the defense work doubly hard. At kung si Hawkins naman eh, siya din ang pumupukol sa opensa, it will take a Superman for you to be able to play both offense and defense. Ito, may
tatawagan ng technical ni referee Ernie De Leon on Pino Harencio. At nakikita po ninyo ang muestra ni Coach Sonny Jaworski. Gamitin ang ulo, gamitin ang utak. Huwag yung emosyon.
Partner, siguro ang sinasabi ni Coach Robert Jaworski, konting lamig lang. May lamang ang Gordons by 6. And why give Alaska any opportunity to break momentum or rather to shift momentum?
So sa Alaska pa rin ang bola at natapyas na po ang kalamangan ng Gordons to only 5 at 36-31. Kaya nga pala, kanina nakita nyo, baka hindi nyo namukha si Vandolph yun. Isa lamang po yan sa napakaraming mga personalities na nagpunta rito upang panoorin ang kapanapanibig na labanan.
Partner, ito, bumalik na naman si Bong Hawkins.
Wow!
Quickly, he announces his return at partner, All Filipino 5 ang nilalaro ni Coach Tim Cone sa kasalukuyan.
Hindi pa pala tapos yung si Bong Hawkins. Sabi niya, teka, hindi pa tapos yung trabaho ko. 12 points now for the Hawk. Illegal defense is called on Alaska. No, just a warning, but a resetting of the 24-second shot clock.
Partner, notice in that play of Gordon's, si Bong Hawkins was not involved in defending Chris King, either straight up or double. Ang ginamit ng Alaska when King had the ball at low post was Lastimosa and Lago. And I think they want to preserve Hawkins for... si Hawkins naman ang magdo-double team ngayon.
Ito na si Marlo Aquino against Johnny Abarrientos. Noli Locsin with the offensive rebound and a putback!
Yung power game ni Noli Locsin. Yung ngayon ang hindi ma-check ng Alaska. He has really stepped up both in rebounding and in putting in the points.
Certainly a powerful presence para sa Gordon's Gin in this stretch. Noli Locsin. Yan naman ang pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod, di ba? Taga Negros Occidental. Yung gabi sa atong mga amigo sa Negros Occidental, kag sa Iloilo, kag sa Bugos nga Panay Island. Maraming nanonood po sa atin dyan. 6-point lead para sa Gordons. Kevin Ramos is open. Locsin.
And again, you wonder kung bakit si Kevin Ramos ang tumira noon, no?
Malayo po ito.
In a play like that, you would normally want a Hawkins or a Lago take the shot. But Gordon's defense is forcing Alaska to take chances in offense because hindi makatanggap ng bola yung mga shooter nila. Namely, eto, sila Lastimosa, sina Hawkins.
Boy, Jonas had to pass off. Kevin Ramos, nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ni Chris King.
Partner, again, the defense of Gordons, no? Making Jolas change his shot.
Wow, what a pass! Oh, pero meron deliberate foul yata na tatawagin. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Chris King. Look away pass, papunta kay Marlo Aquino.
Partner, si Kevin Ramos is going to be sitting down 3 minutes.
Pero
panoorin natin. Wide open ito si Marlo Aquino at binunggo siya ni Kevin Ramos.
So si Kevin Holland ay papalitan muna yung kanyang tokayo na si Kevin Ramos who well, tried his best doon sa ilang minutong nandoon siya. Marlo Aquino at the free throw line. 7-point lead para sa Gordons. 40-33 is the count. 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining in the second period. Pangalawa ni Marlo, pasok pa rin. Samantala, Boyet Fernandez will come in for Dwight Lago. So susubukan na naman ni Coach Tim Cone yung kanyang 2-point guard setup.
Partner, si Coach Tim Cone wants to re-establish yung speed game ng Alaska, no? Especially with a 2-point guard combination. At yung kanilang motion offense. Ito naman si Marlo Aquino, missing the shot. Up close.
Medyo nag-alangan si Marlo doon. He wasn't quite sure whether to take the shot or not. 8 puntos sa buong abante ng Gordons. 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Johnny. Labang kay Pino Harencio. Dalabas kay Jojo Lastimosa. Wala. Boyet Fernandez gets to it.
Partner, kulang sa galaw ang mga player ng Alaska in the offensive set. If this is supposed to be motion offense, they're playing it slow motion because the players are just standing around.
Ang layo na tira ni Kevin Holland, his usual range, pero pumasok.
Ayan talaga ang kailangan ni Kevin Holland for him to be able to shoot those outside jumpers to bring out Marlo Aquino.
6-point lead by Gordons. JV Gayoso nakatingin kay Marlo Aquino. Dinabas kay Pido Harencio. Off to Chris King, open for the 3. Yes! Oh, Chris King is just confusing the enemy.
O partner, umuulan ng 3-point shots ang Gordon Cien. And as we mentioned, that is a critical weapon in the arsenal of Gordons.
Pamatala, magandang depensa, pero nakuha ulit ni Johnny Abarrientos sa season open lane. Nandun si Marlo Aquino, pero binali wala ni Johnny Abarrientos.
Well, binali niya ang kanyang katawan to be able to make that shot go in. And what a move by the Flying A.
Oo, nandun si Marlo, nagbabantay sa ilalim, pero ika nga ay parang wala doon. Uy!
Partner, depensa ni Hawkins.
Referee Ernie De Leon says it.
Oh, that should be Alaska ball. Tama.
Yes, tinan mo naman itong bali na ito ni Johnny. Marlo Aquino, hindi niya na malaman kung saan pupunta. We have a timeout. Isa sa mga ikagay arkitekto ng paglamang nito ng Gordons ay si Vince Hison. 3 3-point shots po ang ginawa nito si Vince Hison. 2 sa first quarter, sa pagtatapos ng first quarter, isa naman sa pag-uumpisa ng second period. Sa kasalukuyan ay nasa bangko si Vince Hison. Para alam natin, maya lang yan huhugutin na naman yan ni Coach Jaworski. Sa kasalukuyan ay lamang sila ng 7 puntos over Alaska. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining in the second period.
Partner ng Game 5, si Vince Hison halos hindi naglaro, no?
Hindi talaga naglaro ng first half.
Oo, nung first half, but he was able to still score 11 points. Ito po ang 3-point field goal shooting so far. At ang Gordons po ay 5 out of 12. At ang Alaska, wala pa silang naipupukol from that range.
Whoa! Bong Hawkins gets it to go down. He has 14 points in the game para sa Alaska Milk. 5-point lead para sa Gordons Gin. JV Gayoso nakatingin sa loob. Cross-court pass to Pido Harencio. Dinabas kay Chris King. King back to Gayoso. Gayoso tumira ng 3 points. Montik na pero hindi pumasok. Plano kaya yun? Tumira ng parang bigla. Uy! Boyet Fernandez! Montik na pero hindi pumasok. And a fresh 24-second shot clock para sa Alaska Milk. Less than a minute to go here in the second quarter. 5-point lead para sa Gordons. Johnny Abarrientos attacks. Dilabas kay Kevin Holland. Boyet Fernandez is open for the 3!
Yun ang 3-pointer. That's the first Alaska 3-pointer of the game. Yung spot-up shooter, Boyet Fernandez.
Well, he delivers. Pido Harencio naman. Uy, stepping on the sideline.
Oh, a big error there with 36.8 seconds to go in the half, and another opportunity for Alaska to score.
Dalawa na lang ang kabadya ng Gordons Gin at 44-42. Nasa Alaska pa ang bola. Halos patapos na po itong second quarter. About 2 plays coming of course. Karito si George Lastimosa against Tony Locsin. The bounce pass to Bong Hawkins against Chris King. There's a foul. Wala pa sa penalty ang Gordons pero maaaring act of shooting yun.
Partner foul dating si Bong Hawkins that time. Well, lumalaban ito si Bong Hawkins sa laro ito. You can be sure of that.
Yan ang palaban talaga si Bong Hawkins at this juncture, mga kaibigan. 14 puntos na ang kanyang ginagawa. Sa free throw line, he makes the first and cuts the lead down to only 1 at 44-43. Si Dwight Lago humahabol sa officials table para mag-substitute pero hindi siya umabot. Alam po rin yung strict dito sa PBA dyan sa substitution Hindi pa naglimintis si Bong Hawkins from the free throw line. 22 seconds to go here in the second quarter. Tabla po tayo. 44 all. Tony Locsin nagdadala ng bola para sa Gordons. Binabotay ni George Lastimosa inabot kay Pido Harencio. There's Marlo Aquino against Kevin Holland.
Spread out offense ng
pick the roll by Marlo. Pumasok. 5 seconds. Meron pang pagkakataon ng Alaska Milk. Humaharurot si Johnny Abarrientos. He pulls up for a 3. Hindi pumasok. At lamang ang Gordons Gin by 2.